Good morning! It is Monday today. And dahil mabaga lang date ako, pupunta ako dito. Hoshino Coffee. Nagpunta kami dito ng Saturday. Masarap yung food nila. And mura. So, hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast. Dito na ako magbe-breakfast. And makikigamit ng Wi-Fi. Napakainit pa rin. Unlike yesterday, it's so gloomy. Look. Hanggang 11 yung breakfast. Nag-order na ako ng breakfast. Same breakfast pa din yung in-order ko. Kasi ang sarap. French toast. Ang sarap niyan. May cream. Tapos may egg. Tapos may kasama na siyang orange juice. Ayun o. Lahat to is 650 yen. Which is around siguro 250 pesos. Ang mura, diba? Tapos, may wifi na. Tapos, ang tahimik dito sa cafe na to. Nagbubulukan ng mga tao. What I really like about the Japanese culture, they're very, very mindful. They always use their inside voice. Kahit nasa labas ng bahay. And sa cafe like this, tahimik lang. Kahit nag-uusap, hindi mo kailangang marinig yung mga sinasabi nila. Unlike sa Vietnam and of course sa Philippines din. Dito, you can actually eat or just read in peace. Puro mga oldies yung kasama ko dito. Tahimik lang sila tapos madaming mga mag-isa lang tapos nagre-read ng books. Ako lang yung may laptop na nag-work. This cafe is the closest to my house. Pero not that close. It's about 15 minute walk from my house. And mahirap siyang maharin kasi uphill yung papunta dito. And sobrang init. Pero siguro it's not as hot as today anymore. Like kapag fall na, mas okay maglakad kahit mas mahaba pa. Pero mas nakakapagod kasi yung init. Tapos hindi mo magamit yung umbrella. May payong ako. Maya't maya nililipad siya. So umaano siya. Yung nasisira. Hindi naman nasisira. Yung bumabalik ka. So hindi ko siya magamit the whole time. Maya't maya inaano ko. Sinasara ko. Kasi nga nililipad lang naman ng hangin. So yun. Just make sure na more sunscreen and drink a lot of water, hydrate, para hindi naman tayo ma-heat stroke. Umalis na ako dun sa cafe. Yung tina-download ko, hindi pa natapos. Nakakainis. Parang 90% na lang siya. Tapos namatay na yung laptop ko. Hindi ko siya ma-charge kasi walang saksakan dun. Tapos may nakita akong parang co-working space. Maganda, may massage area. Tapos mura lang din. Kaso, need kong i-download yung app nila para makapagpa-member. Eh, yung Play Store ko, ayaw i-download kasi Philippines pa yung nasa address ko. Kailangan ko i-change ng Japan. Eh, hindi ko naman siya ma-change agad-agad. Di ba need mag-wait nun? Hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal yung wait. Ang tagal ko nang hindi ma-change yun eh. Ang tagal kong gustong i-change yun to Vietnam. Hindi ko rin naman ma-change. Ngayon, I need to change it to Japan. Wala pa ring option. So, nga. Hanap ako ng iba. Puntahan Aeon. May wifi doon. Hanap na lang ako ng pwedeng upuan. Nakainis. Wala akong magawa. Ang init-init ngayon sa labas. Ito yung isa pang malaking supermarket na malapit sa amin. Co-op. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dyan doon. Hindi ko pa napasok. Ang daming supermarkets dito, no? Mas malapit sa amin. Parang 4 na yung nakita namin. Ang lalaki. It is a gloomy day today. Nag-uulan daw kagabi. The whole night. So, basa. Everywhere. And it's quite cool. Hindi mainit. Ang cute ng dog from afar. Lumabas ako para pumunta ng 7-Eleven. So, mabaya ko pa niya. Yes, papunta siyang report. sakto pag labas namin. Siyang dating ng bus niya. And this is the 7-Eleven. Every day kami. It's very, very useful. And if you don't know, 7-Eleven has a lot of delicious foods that can be. Sobrang dami masarap. And mura lang siya. What has happened? And where's my favorite? Parang wala. Ayoko niyan. Parang wala yung favorite. Ayun, that's my favorite. This one. If ever you're in Japan, look for this. Crepe with banana and milk cream. Sobrang sarap nito. Let's get 2. Marami pang iba. Think you can try. Not really interested sa iba po. Custard cream and chocolate eclair. Thick chocolate and whipped cream. Let's try this. Sobrang dami. Hindi ko pa na-try yan na ngayon. Ay, na-try ko pala yung fish. What's this? Ano to? I don't know what this is. Nakalimutan ko na naman yung aking phone. So, wala akong pang translate. Ito. Trout and vinegar rice. Hello, salmon. Bibili na lang ako sa Japan meat later. Dami. Curry. Actually, konti lang ngayon kasi maaga pa eh. Mamaya pa mas madami pa. Yan. Mga noodles. Salad. And mga dried snacks. Hanap tayo ng ice cream. Masarap to. This one. This one is really nice. And this one, natry ko na din. Burloy. I want something else. Something different. Let's try. This one, Lefina. Oh, pistachio. Yeah, let's try this one. It's 200. That one or this one? Chocolate ice bar with pistachios. Ito muna. I've been looking at it for a while. It's 270. Good morning. Kakagising ko lang. And today is Thursday. It's rubbish day. So, we have, dito sa Japan, may schedule kung kailan mo itatapon yung mga basura mo. So, for us, for our ward, dito sa area namin, every Thursday is when we can dump out plastic and also cans and PET bottles. So today is the day. Meron kaming 2 bags of puro plastic and 1 bag na puro cans and PET. Medyo marami siya, so I'll help Matt na dalhin sa labas because usually siya yung nagtatapon ng basura namin. But since ang dami nga, I'll help him out na. Tapos, he can go straight to work and ako balik sa bahay. We have so much plastic. So I'm back at the house. Si Matt dumiretso na sa work. But today, we are gonna go to the bank to open our bank account. Initially, hindi dapat ako kasama. Dapat si Matt lang. Kasi siya may work contract. So pwede siya makapag-open ng bank account. Ako daw, parang later na lang sana kapag dumating yung card. Remember yung social security number na pinrocess namin last week yata yun. Yeah, last week Friday. Wala pa kasi yun sa amin. So, kapag dumating daw yung card, tsaka pa lang ako pwedeng mag-open ng bank account. Luckily, kagabi, like magsi-7 na, dumating yung cards namin. Dineliver ng postman. So, sabi, pwede daw ako sumama today to open a bank account kasi may card naman na. Ayun, tapos nagulat kami kasi pagsi-7 na nagde-deliver pa rin pala yung post office. Tapos, the guy speaks in Japanese pero he understood na hindi kami maka-understand ng Japanese. Pero dire-diretso lang din siya. Oo lang din kami ng oo. Natatawa na lang din kami sa isa't isa kasi what can we do for right now? So yun, okay naman. So, pwede na kami makapag-open ng bank account and pwede na rin ako makakuha ng kami ni Matt ng SIM card. Like, yung SIM card na may phone number. Kasi yung ginagamit namin, yung SIM card is for data lang. Tapos, yung kay Matt, yung data niya is good for, I don't know kung 30 days yata, pero 50 gig, paubos na. Yung sa akin naman, nabili ko siya sa airport, unlimited, good for 16 days. So, nakaka 1 week pa lang ako. Pero, nakakatawa yung nakakainis kasi may slowdown pala siya. Parang na-reach ko na yung 50 gig. Biglang bumagal na siya. Halos ayaw na mag-load ng pages. It's so frustrating. So, for a few days, hindi ko siya masyadong magamit. Another lucky thing that happened, kagabi din, dumating yung aming Wi-Fi tower. So, that's our Wi-Fi tower. So now, meron na kami Wi-Fi. So I can upload and download videos na. Don't have to go to the cafe. Can just stay at home and do all that. I'm ready to go. So it's 10. Kaka-text lang ni Matt na they're on their way. Susunduin nila ako dito kasama yung si Sawa ko, yung staff sa school. At saka isa pa daw teacher na kailangan din mag-open ng bank account. And hindi ko alam kung tapos na ba ang summer or this is just for today kasi ang cool ngayon, hindi mainit. Kahapon din, medyo gloomy. Pero kahapon kasi umulan the night before. Kaya during the day, hindi mainit. Although may parang few hours na uminit ulit. Pero ngayon, the whole day, 10 pa lang naman. Pero 5 a.m. pa lang kasi gising na ako. Hindi mainit. Wala ring araw. So, makulimlim. I don't know if dahil Tapos na ba ang summer and pa-fall na? Or dahil nag-uulan lang? We'll see. Second day pa lang naman na hindi mainit. They are here! Ayan na si Sawako. Hello! We are here. This is downtown Sendai. Ang ganda dito. Look at the tree. Here na. Ganda. Soon, mag-iiba ng colors yan. And, maulan nga talaga ngayon. Medyo malakas yung ambon kanina. Pero ngayon, tumila na. Pero basa pa rin yung kalsada. And this is the bank that we went to. Actually, dapat mag-open kami ng account, right? But, dahil wala kaming phone number, hindi kami pinayagang mag-open. So, we need to get a phone number first. Hindi kami pinayagang mag-open ng bank account kasi wala pa kaming phone numbers. Kailangan daw may phone numbers muna kami bago makapag-open ng bank account. Ang complicated, tapos before kami makakuha ng SIM with a phone number, kailangan naman may bank account. So, yung staff, si Sawa ko, she's trying to figure it out. So, parang, ang gagawin na muna is to get a local bank account. Yung bank account na pang Japan lang. Hindi mo siya pwedeng gamitin internationally. Which is fine for us kasi may international bank accounts naman kami. Meron pa si Matt na Vietnamese bank accounts. Actually, ako meron din. Tapos meron din akong Philippine accounts. So, sabi namin, okay lang naman. Hindi naman, it's not a big issue. Ngayon, we're just waiting because yung kasama namin, naka-work ni Matt, tsaka yung asawa niya, sila they are able to open an account kasi may Japanese phone number na sila eh. So, medyo matagal lang yung process pero we just have to wait for them. Patapos naman na. And then after that, balik na sila sa school and then ako, balik bahay. Rakuten.
Yeah.
Rakuten is the mobile company? Is it?
They do mobile, but
okay.
that's only they do.
Tutu Ana.
I don't know the companies here, so
Aoba. Go! Aoba. How big is the Aoba words? How big are the words? Not many people here.
there's a bigger one of these down near our house.
Oh, really? Where?
Strip. So instead of going Kana, to the
Yeah.
top of the road, go Kaliwa. It's about the same distance as the 7-Eleven, maybe a little bit closer.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I go past it every day to work.
You're gonna regret telling me this.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, the Kaliwang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ang sarap maglutag dito. Ang daming shops. And it's not hot. I like it. Ang ganda talaga ng street na to. Nalalaki na yung mga puno. I can't wait na makita to during fall or autumn. Yan a few weeks. So, naghahanap ako ng hindi pang tanggal eh. Para to make the oil solid. Hindi kasi siya pwedeng itapon lang sa sa sink. dahil magka-clog yung plumbing. So, merong ganito. Ihahalo mo siya sa cooking oil, tapos magiging para siyang jelly. Tapos pwede mo na siyang itapon. Or ito. Mas mura to. Pero mas sulit to. Kasi tatlo na, 600 ml. Ito is sumat kailangan mo ng umbrella. Cute naman ito. Para manipis. Para naka-hook. Okay. Para pwede siyang i-hook sa bag. Super. 1,180. Ano naman kaya? Duling. Backless. Pero siyang ganyan. Galing ha. I-hook sa bag. Maliit. Kasya naman to sa bag mo. It's, magkano to? 2,480. So, more or less 500,000 BNB. Gusto ko talaga to. Cute. Hindi naman siya ganun kaliit eh. 5 cm lang naman yung difference. Tapos, less than half the price. Ano lang po? 1,180. 1,298 pala kasama yung tax. Kasi may tax eh. Ito na ang rug section. Ito yung rug na gusto ko. This one. Pretty. Dalawa yung sizes available. Merong 185 by 185. Tapos yung isa ay 185 by 240. 7,600 with the tax. So, yun yung kukunin ko, yung kulay blue. Kasyang-kasya naman yan sa aming lounge. Ang dami pa, oh. Ang cute nito kasi may tassel. Ayan. Ang ganda! I'm so happy! Ang cute ng tassel. Try kong i-iron to mamaya. Para mag-flatten out. Tapos, the couch will be here. And then, look. Ang dami pang kalat sa floor. So, we need side tables. And I think this weekend we can try to get a center table. And then, some shelves. Unti-unti nang nagkakaroon ng kulay ang aming bahay. I like it.
こんにちは。ソックスね。持ってきましたね。置き場所だけじゃちょっと押してもらっていいですか。少し失礼しますね。どちらに。 すいません。あー、すいません。ありがとうございます。じゃあ僕も。はい。じゃあ以上になります。ありがとうございました。
Dumating na yung couch. The couch is here. I'm so happy. Nagkakaroon na ng laman yung bahay namin. It is very, very cool. I didn't know that this couch also has storage and that it can also turn into a bed. Look. I don't know if you can see. So this is the couch. It's so comfy. I love it. And then you can remove this. And then this one. Let's see. Wait up. Wait. I'll show you. I'll show you. So yeah. I'm so happy. We are out to dinner tonight and this is where we're going. I don't know the name of this place, but it's a chankonabe, which basically means Japanese hot pot. They said that this is actually the place where the sumo wrestlers go to dine whenever they're on tour here in Sendai. Super nice. It's a very small place. Really tiny.
It's a great game. Expedition 3.
I even thought of going here because at first I thought it was 7, right? So I thought, sorry. I might have time to go to 7. It's actually Eastern.
I honestly think, like,
Yeah, I thought of it, but I didn't know.
playing,
you were
I
good.
haven't been in a while.
playing it more and more,
Welcome,
I feel like it is,
Let's do you think, Julie?
you know how Final Fantasy VI is considered.
welcome.
Thank
I'm the spiritual guy.
Good night.
Wait, we can do it. Okay. Let's go.
Right now that we have some kind of,
Is it cold enough?
It's Friday.
it's Friday.
What is this?
This is Kind of pickled, I imagine
Yeah,
either
it's pickled,
celery or some kind of root. Oh, mountain.
Yeah, that's
And,
I'll tell you.
crunchy. Nice.
It's mountain goat.
Is it red?
Pickled
vegetables.
sinigay.
Should I switch over a bit?
So you may find your sinning game.
Is that a crab in there? Yeah, there's crab in there.
おつゆのでお気をつけください。
So is this just like a seafood mix, like
I see shells.
more mild, but it's easier to distinguish between the stuff. Whereas this one's probably going to be mostly just kimchi flavor, right?
That's fish. It's good. Shrimp. What's this?
So you want me to?
What? That's
do some
tofu?
kimchi?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, you want to
I assume, without
This
knowing,
one is like a
just this broth.
dumpling. Is it?
Yeah,
I think so.
cool. That works.
And some pork.
I mean, like I said, I could taste.
Oh, that one I already put soy sauce.
Oh, okay, well then, never mind. No more soy sauce for you.
So this is what? Just mayo and wasabi?
And soy sauce. And soy sauce.
Ah,
I'll do a small one.
okay. What's this now? Pork. Adobo.
Yeah, there we go.
Basically, yeah.
What's this?
Fish cake.
Oh, fish cake.
You want hot scallop, by the way.
Not spicy. I mean, they've just taken it off.
Of course. Is there anything you don't want? Anything's okay.
Yummy. That's yummy.
That's how it works.
You're the judge.